In this video, let me show you how to use split screen on Android with the same application. Now in this situation, what you need to do is use the feature of dual apps or app cloner that is available on most Android devices. So what you simply need to do is head over to the settings on your device, search for dual apps or app cloner depending upon your device and depending upon which model you're using, and you simply need to toggle this option on for the application that you're trying to split the screen of, because if you do not create a dual app, you would not be able to create or split the screen within the Android device. So once the dual app now has been created, you can simply open up a particular app, and in order to split the screen, it may be different for you, but in most cases you simply need to tap and hold the particular app, and then you'll be able to see the split screen icon being displayed. And once you do that, you'll be able to select the second application, which is going to be the same application for you, but in this situation it is going to be a dual app or a clone app. So this is the exact method that you need to follow in order to split screen on an Android with the same application. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.